All right, y'all. We got a couple of questions out of the homework for 2.8. So I'm actually going to do two problems here, y'all. Got one on this slide, and then I'm going to do one on the other slide, okay? So let's go through part A. So, y'all, I'm looking at part A here, and in part A says we're trying to find f plus g of negative 2. So let me show you guys how we're going to do that. We're going to find f of negative 2. We're going to find g of negative 2. Okay, so y'all, just for demonstrating the, let's see if I can make this a little bit thicker line. Here we go. So this is my f function, and I'm going to do the g function just so y'all can see it a little bit. I'm going to do that in red, okay? So I'm trying to draw it as perfectly as I can. Okay, so y'all, the way we're going to find f of negative 2 is right here, that's x equals 0, that's negative 1, that's negative 2. So what we want to do is we want to go down until we hit our y value. Our y value here, y'all, is negative 1. Plus, I'm going to come back over here to negative 2. I'm going to go up. Right here, let's see, that's 1, that's 2, that's 3, so that's 4. So negative 1 plus 4, y'all, is going to give me 3. So in essence, what I'm really doing here, y'all, I'm finding the y values of my functions at the number negative 2, okay? So look, let's go through part B. Part B says, can we find f minus g of negative 3? So y'all, we're going to find f of negative 3, and we're going to find g of negative 3, and we're going to subtract those numbers, okay? So look, let me see if I can clean this up just a little bit. Okay, so look, here's negative 1, here's negative 2, here's negative 3. Y'all, I'm going to go down here. Look, that's 0, that's minus 1, so that's minus 2. Minus g of negative 3, let's see, that's 1, that's 2, that's 3, that's 4, boom, that's 5. So minus 2 minus 5, y'all, boom, minus 7, okay? Now, let's do part C, y'all. Part C says, let's find f times g at negative 1. Okay, so let me come back here. I'm just trying to clean up some of this mess a little bit. Boom, boom, boom. Let's draw that back down that way. Let's come back down this way. Okay, at negative 1. So look, y'all, here I am on the x-axis at negative 1. Well, we're already hitting the function f, y'all. We're right there, so we're at 0, okay? Now, g of negative 1 is going to go 1, 2, and 3, but we are multiplying those numbers, y'all. And 0 times negative 3 is 0, okay? And then we got one last part here, y'all. Part D says f divided by g at 1. Okay, so look, here is 0. So here's 1. We're going to go up till we hit our function f. Y'all, we're hitting it at 2. So f of 1 is equal to 2. G of 1, here's again at, here we are again at 1. I'm going to go up. Ooh, we only go up one spot. So g of 1 is 1, and 2 divided by 1, y'all, is 2. Okay, so for the first part, came up with 3. For the second one, negative 7. For the third one, 0. For the last one, 2. Now, y'all, we got another problem almost identical, and it's right here. And we're going to do the same thing, okay? So, y'all, what I'm going to try to do here, let me see if I can. I'm going to try to zoom in on this a little bit just so we can see it a little bit better. Okay, here we go. And let's do the same thing. So, y'all, for part A, I want to see if we can find f of 2 plus g of 2. So again, y'all, f is our blue function, and g is kind of like that purple one. Sorry, I don't have a purple marker. Okay, so let's see, f of 2. So y'all, f of 2, I'm going to go to here when x is equal to 2. If I go up and I hit my function f, boom, that looks like that's the number 4. G of 2, if I come back here to 2 and I go up, it looks like we hit it at 1, and 4 plus 1 is 5, okay? So let me clean that mess up again. Here we go, okay? And let's do part B. So look, y'all, part B, I'm going to find f of 1, and we're going to subtract g of 1. So here I am at 1. If I go up to hit my function f, we only had to go up one spot. To hit my function g, it looks like we got to go up 2 spots. So 1 minus 2, negative 1, right? Okay, let me clean that up. And let's do part C. F times g of 0. So y'all, I want to find f of 0, and I want to find g of 0. Here we are at 0. Y'all, we're already hitting the function f, so that number is 0. G of 0, 1, 2, 3, that's 3. And 0 times 3 is still 0. Okay. And then we got one last one, part D. We're going to find f of 1, and we're going to divide it by g of 1. Okay, so here we are at 1. To go hit my f function, y'all, I'm going to go up. We go up one spot, so that number is 1. G of 1, I'm going to come back here. I'm going to go up. Looks like we go up two spots, so 1/2. So for part A, I have 5. For part B, I got -1. For part C, I got 0. And for part D, I got 1/2, okay? Y'all have any questions? Let me know. I'm happy to help.